Hello and welcome to this lesson. This is lesson three of our first Reading for Beginners series. In this lesson, we're talking about Forex charts, Japanese candlesticks, and how to trade. In this how to trade, we'll just be generalizing, like putting together everything we have learned from lesson one, lesson two, lesson three, and apply it to how to trade. Okay, how to trade forex so that when you open the MetaTrader or you feel like you want to trade forex, you want to start trading forex, you know exactly how to go about it, how to make use of everything you have learned in lesson one, lesson two. Okay, now let's start by the, reading the disclaimer. It is very important. You can pause the screen and read it. And if you have already read and understood it, you can just ignore, still the same thing from the previous classes. Now, what is Forex? Forex chart, sorry. Forex chart is simply a graphical representation of historical price movements of any Forex instrument, which are currency pairs for the purpose of these lessons being viewed in any desired time frame. Okay, so this simply means that the forex chart just give you the previous price actions of a particular currency pairs. It tells you what the prices have been in the past based on the time frame you are watching at. You are viewing it. Time frame simply means that you want to be seeing the price action in packet of 1 hour. So if you want to be seeing it in packet of 1 hour for the last, let's say, 2 years, you'll be seeing the price movement every 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour for 10 years. If that's what you want to see, if it's available, you can see it for 5 years, for 2 years. It depends on the currency pair you are looking at and the history, how old the currency pair is. That's what will determine how much of the data you can see. Okay, but you wouldn't need that data. You just need a month or two or three for you to analyze and be able to take decision of what you want to do on that forex pair. Either you want to buy or sell. So in a nutshell, forex charts just give you the price action of the currency pair, how the price has been moving in packets of any desired time frame. You can decide to be looking at it for 4 hours. What price has been doing every 4 hours for 5 days, for 5 days, for 10 days in the past, looking back in time, for 20 days, for 100 days. Okay. You can decide to see it in 1 minute back. You can decide to see it in any amount, any desired time frame you want to. You can see it in months time frame, what price has been doing every month, what price did in January, what price did in December 2021, 2022, yeah. You can see it monthly, you can see it weekly, you can see it for 4 hours, you can see it daily, anyhow, how you want to see it, it is available for you. That is what Forex chart is all about. Now, there are lots of chart types. Sorry, I made a mistake here. There are lots there are lots chart types in Forex. There are different ways in which these charts are being represented, but we'll be talking about two most used chart types, namely line charts and Japanese candlestick charts. So the two charts we'll be talking about. Now, the line charts tells us only the open and close price of the currency pair within the time frame we are viewing the chart from. Okay, let me explain this the whiteboard. Let me use whiteboard to explain this. Okay, all right, let's say we have the chart of the price. It's always something like this. The forex chart, you will see price, you will see time on this axis, or let me draw it this way. It's normally like this. Let me draw it this way. Okay, all right, so you see time here. Sorry, price on this axis. That's what you see. the price, you see it here. So let's say we have, you see the time calibrated like that. Let's say we have 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm just citing this as example, 50, and so and so and so on and so on and so on like that. Then here we have the time. Okay, you have what? You have the time here for a line chart. All right. So let's say this is we are looking at it from a daily perspective. Let's say this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, we have Thursday here, then we have Friday. Okay, I'm just citing as an example. So all you can see on the charts, online chart, is the price at which the assets. Let's say this is bread. For example, let's say bread is financial assets that we are looking at. Let's say this is the prices of bread. So on Monday, let's say bread is $10. Okay, on Monday is $10. Then on Tuesday, it rose from $10 to, let's say, $20. Okay, so this will happen between Monday and Tuesday. That's a 1 day movement. They can only tell you the price at which spread started on Monday, which is the open price, and the price at which it started on Tuesday. So if it started on Tuesday at, let's say, 20, so it may be that it closed on Monday at 20. So close of Monday is open of Tuesday. Do you understand that? So you only have two information about what price did on Monday, the beginning and the end. It's also possible that between Monday and Tuesday, as it start from 10, at some point, it dropped to 8, then at some point, it rose to 25 before it dropped again to 20 and closed at 20. So you have no information about this, and that's the movement below and above the open and close. You have no information about that. So you only know the open and close. That's exactly what chart candle is. So from Tuesday, maybe increase again to 30 naira. Okay, it increased again to $30. But in the process of it moving from Tuesday to Wednesday, it's possible at some point it rose to 40 and drop again to 10 before it finally closed at 30. So you will not know if it rose to 40 or it didn't rise up that much. You won't know what really happened between Tuesday and Wednesday. You only know the beginning and the end. You don't know what really happened, what transpired in between. You understand that? So that's disadvantage of the line chart. You really don't get the full information of the price action. But but that's just all about line chart. This is the open and close. The price dip again on Thursday and went to $10. Then on Friday, let's say it moved to $20. Then on Saturday, it didn't change the price. It still remained $20. So this looking like a line already. That's where we got line chart from. Okay. I hope this is clear. Let's proceed. I should have started Monday here, Monday, Tuesday, so that it will be going to the front. But I believe you got what I'm trying to illustrate. Okay. I will just go back to the slide and proceed. All right, the line chart tells us only the open and close prices of the currency pair within the time frame we are viewing the chart from. I just explained that, and that's straightforward. Now, that is why we need another form of chart that can tell us more details about what happened during that time frame we are watching the chart from. Okay. Now, Japanese candlesticks are technical analysis tool that traders use to chart. That's to watch chart, okay, and analyze the price movements of financial assets. The concept of candlestick charting was developed by this guy, the Japanese rice trader. That's why we call it Japanese candlestick, because it was developed by a Japanese man. Japanese candlestick are formed using four data: the high, the low, sorry, the open, the high, the low, and close. Remember, for line charts, we only have open and close, but with Japanese, we have more data involved of the chosen time frame. Okay, the Japanese candlesticks are formed using the high, the open, high, low, and close of the chosen time frame, and it gives the complete information of price movement within the selected time frame. That's easy. Now let's look more into what Japanese candlestick looks like. This is exactly what it looks like. This is what it looks like. You see this on your chart. So this is a buy candle, not because of the color. I'll tell you why. And this is a sell candle, but also from the color, anywhere you see green, you know that is buy. Anywhere you see red, you know that is sell. Okay. Now candlesticks are made of two parts: the body and the wicks. The body and the wicks, higher wick and lower wick. Now let's look at the image below. This is the candlestick. Then it opens for a buy. It opens. Let's assume it opens somewhere here. Let me use this. This is the open here. That's the beginning of the body. Sorry, I should have put something like this. From here to here is the body. This is the body of the candle. Okay. This is the body of the candle. Okay. And these are wicks, 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 and wicks. So these are wicks of the candle. Okay. Now, the beginning of the body is the open price. That's the price. Let's say this is a 1 hour time frame we are looking at. So each candle we see on the chart, if you are looking at 1 hour time frame, each candle you see on the chart is formed within 1 hour. So the candle will be telling you the informations of price movement in that 1 hour. Okay. So let's say this is a candlestick within 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. So it's telling that the open is the beginning of the body here. Price opens here. And at the end of 1 hour, it closes here. Okay. But it's giving you an additional information that, okay, between the time the candlestick, the time between that 1 hour in which the candlestick was formed, at some point, price drops to this point. And that gives us what? It's a low. That's a low price. Okay. This should be the low price. Sorry, I made a mistake there. Low price. Low price. Okay. And that is the distance between the open of the body, the lowest point the price got to. So within this 1 hour, price opened here, then dropped down to this point. Then it rose, moved up again, and it rose to this point here, and this is the high price. So this is the highest point price got to within that 1 hour. Okay, high price. Okay, and finally closed here. That's the closed price. So these are the four informations we have. And on the other hand, for the sell candle, we have the low price here, and we also have the high price here. But the candle began to form here. This is the open and it close here. Remember, we say that when we are buying, we are saying price will go up. Okay, that is why for a buy candle, it opens lower. Can you see that this is the lower part and close higher? Okay, it's open at a lower price. This can be $10 and this will be like $15. So it opens at a lower price and close at a higher price. So when price within this 1 hour that we are watching it, so when price open at a lower price, close at a higher price, then that is a buy candle. That means at that moment, price went up. Okay. Then on the other hand, if price open at a higher price and close at a lower price, then that is a sell candle. That tells you that within that 1 hour, price dropped. Okay, price dropped. That's all you need to know about the candlestick. All right. Let's proceed. I need to delete all this. Sorry. Just a minute, please. Okay. All right. How to start trading forex markets? After all this you have learned, how do you apply it? For you to trade, number one, register with a broker, and I recommend you use exness broker. Exness. Uh, the link is in the description. Then when you open the broker website, you register, you do your KYC. If you have problem with it, you chat their customer service up. They are going to walk you through it. Then you open a live account and you fund your account. After that, they will give you your MetaTrader logins. Okay, login details. That's they give you the name of the broker, the server, the password, and your ID. Those are the numbers. These are the details you use to log in. You need to log in MetaTrader. We all saw it on lesson 1D. Okay, sorry, lesson 1 video. Okay, then you start trading by buying and selling currency pair. Now, remember, when you buy a currency pair, you are expecting it to go up in price. If it does go up in price, you will make profits. On the other hand, if you sell a pair, you are expecting it to go down. If it goes down as expected, you make profit. Otherwise, you don't make profit. Okay. Now there's a big question here, and the question is, how do you know? The question will be how to know what currency pair to buy and sell, and when to buy and sell them. What currency pair to buy and sell, and when to buy and sell. Well, there are different ways this can be done. But let me start from the easy. The easy one is by receiving a direct signal, maybe from someone who have experience, who is an expert in this game, that will tell you that, okay, buy Euro USD at your usual price and sell it at usual price, or sell it at usual price. That's one way, and we actually provide signal services. You can, if you are interested in receiving signals from us, just click on the WhatsApp link, or just see the WhatsApp number and message me, and I'll show you how to enroll on our signal service. Then on the other hand, you do analysis. You analyze the market. Before you do anything in business, you have to analyze first and take your decision. So there are two types of analysis. We have technical analysis and we have fundamental analysis. Depends on the one that fits you best. Technical analysis is just using the past price action to do it, and fundamental analysis is by looking at the events. Is this country going to have problem in the future? Is this war going to hold? If there's threats, is there a threat of war between two countries? You definitely know that once there's war, people start running away from this country and their economy will be in shambles. So you can treat with that if you know how to do it, and also know if to buy a particular currency pair. That's countries involved in. You know their currency is about to be weakened and you can trade with that. And on the other hand, so that's all with analysis. Okay. Now we'll be talking more about analysis in the next uh, series of video, which is technical analysis. And from there, you know how to do technical analysis. We'll also be having for fundamental analysis on their own, and that will be in advanced classes. Okay, so that is all for this particular Forex for Beginners series. So before I go, let's go to the that looks like in MetaTrader so that you see the candlestick. All you have to do is click on this. To be below, if you're using mobile version, you see this icon at the bottom of your screen. You just tap on it. It's going to open the chart for you. It's loading. Let's highlight to load. Why it's taking so long? It's taking so long. It's taking forever. Since it's not working, so let's check it for PC. I don't know why it's not working. Maybe it's the network. It's technically not network. It should be the blue stack. Blue stack just used on everything. That's the app I'm using to play Android application. Let me just go to PC, see it. But on your phone, once you click on it on your phone, you're going to see the chart. Let's go and see it on PC version. So this is what the candlestick looks like. The color here is a little bit different. This white one is the sale. This green one is the buy. That's how they represented it. They represent it here, but this is the candlestick, as you can see there. Now we are in 5-minute time frame. Each of these candlesticks will take 5 minutes. And go to higher time frame. This is 30 minutes. Each of these candles you are seeing will take 30 minutes before the form. And go to 1 hour and 1 hour. Each of these candlesticks you are seeing will take 1 hour. And each of them is going to be telling you for information. The high here is the highest point price cut within 1 hour. Within the 1 hour, this candle was formed. The low here is the lowest point. The candle opened. Okay, this is sell candle. So this candle closed here and open here. Yes, if you put the cursor on it on your MetaTrader PC, is going to give you the data as you can see there. So it's telling you that the candle was formed at 2 o'clock. So it will be 2 to 3 o'clock. That's when the candle was formed. And you open at just disappear. Those are it gives the number, that's the prices the the close price. So that's all about this series. We are done, and we'll be starting the advanced classes very soon. Where we'll be talking more about these things. Just click on the WhatsApp link, send us a direct message, and get more information about the advanced classes. Thank you very much.